Unacademy. Let's crack it.
By now, you have probably heard the hype. Digital marketing skills are in serious demand, and the digital skill gap is likely to widen. The job market is booming, and the brands are putting more of a focus on digital marketing than ever before. But before we dive into the career option in digital marketing, let's look at what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is the marketing activity of promoting goods or services using digital channels. And today, almost everyone is online. With access to cheap data and affordable smartphones, the number of people across the globe who have access to internet has increased exponentially. Businesses today leverage digital channels such as social media, search engines, email, and websites to connect with current and prospective customers, create brand awareness, sell and promote their products or services, and earn higher ROI. The scope of digital marketing in India picked up right from its introduction because of its ability to market products and services at a larger global audience at an affordable rates. The choice of advertising your products only to those who fit your target audience or remarketing your ads specifically to people who have showed interest in the past was one of the many reasons why marketers shifted to digital marketing. And to top that off, since the COVID-19 crisis hit the world, digital marketing was being adopted by companies small or large because it proved to be one of the most effective ways to conduct marketing campaigns, even when their audiences were stuck at home. While thinking about digital marketing career paths, it's natural that one is confused as to which career option is the right fit. Well, the beauty of digital marketing is that it has something for everyone. So if you are someone who loves social media, then you can opt for a social media marketing professional. Or if you're someone who is highly interested in coding, then you can easily become a web developer. There are plethora of options for those who want to work in this creative field. Those who have a knack for writing can select content writing. The ones interested in designing can become a graphic designer. Ones with analytical mind can opt to be a data analyst, which is one of the most sought after career paths in digital marketing. Now, since digital marketing is a dynamic industry, one is expected to learn and be updated about the new technologies constantly. Being far-sighted and curious would add a bonus to your digital marketing career. So if you think you have what it takes, then you're definitely suited for digital marketing. Now, in terms of job scope of digital marketing or the kind of jobs that are available in the digital marketing sector, you might have come across roles like digital marketing manager. So he or she is someone who strategizes and implements a brand's complete digital presence. They leverage every channel under digital marketing to promote a business's product or services with the key goal of increasing their sales cost effectively. As a digital marketing manager, one should have experience of more than 5 years and the necessary certifications to back your expertise. The main responsibilities as a digital marketing manager are leading the marketing team and reporting to the head or the VP of digital marketing of the company. If you talk about the salary range, it could be up to 15 lakhs. Next, we have different executive roles like search engine optimizer. So anyone dealing with SEO has to work on analyzing, reviewing, and optimizing websites using organic SEO techniques. One also needs to develop content with powerful keywords for increasing website traffic. Such a profile could fetch anywhere between 3 to 7 lakhs. Next, let's talk about social media marketer. So as you all know, social media marketing is all about managing a company's presence across social networks, which includes your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. The role of social media marketers consists of creating a social media strategy, creating content according to it, posting this content, and keeping a watch on some of the key metrics like reach, impressions, and engagement of the followers. Again, expected salary here could be anywhere between 3.5 to 7 lakhs. Next, we have content marketer. So as a content marketer, one has to work on various tools like managing a blog, creating drip campaigns, copywriting, blogging, PR, and video creation. Expected salary here could be up to 5 lakhs. Then you have various roles in email marketing. So email is one form of marketing that all of us have been using for ages, and yet it still remains one of the most valuable marketing strategies out there. As an email marketer, one has to focus on building an email list, creating personal and customized emails tailored to your customer interests, and nurturing leads through written communication. Expected salary for an email marketer could anyways be up to 5 lakhs. Then you have SEM executives. Search engine marketing specialists are responsible for paid ads across the search networks. So if numbers don't intimidate you and you have great analytical skills, search engine marketing could be a great choice for you. Expected salary for any SEM analyst or an executive could be up to 7 lakhs. Next is data analyst. So analytics is one of the main parts of digital marketing team and one of the most technical digital marketing skills. Analytics is what tells a company if they are on the right track and thus gives them an understanding of what's working and what is not working. An analyst can roughly get up to 12 lakhs. Now let's talk about web developer. So a web developer has knowledge of computer software, HTML coding and graphic design to create a website that has the best user experience and can achieve business goals. Expected salary for a web developer could anywhere be between 3 to 6 lakhs. Now by no means this is an exhaustive list, as more and more roles could open up in the future. Some of the roles that I can think of could be, let's say, content creator for AR or VR, which is augmented reality and virtual reality. Then we could also have SEO specialists for voice assistants, because a lot of the queries these days are moving towards voice search. Then we have video production for newer social media platforms. So as the new age social media platforms come in, we'll have different roles around audio production, video production. And then we'll have a lot of roles coming in as an automation experts, because marketing tech or marketing technology, or MarTech as they like to call it, is going to be big going forward. In the end, I would say that digital marketing is fast becoming a promising industry with rapid career growth and a lot of new opportunities. As digitization continues at a rapid pace, employers on a global scale are seeking out skilled employees that can fill the skill gaps in their organization and drive business objectives such as leads, revenue, and brand awareness. If you want to be a part of the hottest industry and grow with it in the coming decade, start getting upskilled today. I hope this video helped you get clarity about your career in digital marketing. Let us know what you think about the same in the comments below.